Hey guys, here is McKinnon and foxtrox is back there. Yeah, foxtrox. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay. So now we're eating Crave. Taste the chocolate. This is our first bite of the Crave cereal. Oh my god, it's so good.
This is how you eat cereal.
So good.
This deserves an award.
We should eat it with a spatula.
You want to?
No. We should do that.
I want to show them my snowboard. It's my Beast Echo Technology blue neon snowboard. It's Beast. I'm probably like wondering, it's like graffiti art, and then on the bottom it says head. The number one leading snowboard brand. And yeah, old freaking boots. Old style is in the new style, right, McKinnon?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Oh god, ow. Ow. So yeah, it's pretty good, right, McKinnon?
Yeah, pretty good.
All right, bye.